Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 13th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Check out the video on the homepage to learn more. So, anyways, gold did end up holding this 50% for now. We definitely do not have a break of structure up, but we are definitely getting some higher lows right here on the 4 hour time frame. There's definitely a chance that this is a complete ABC correction. We're just gonna have to watch and see. We don't really know for sure until we get a break of structure, and unfortunately, the next break is way the heck up there. But if this thing starts to maintain momentum, eventually go up and give us a break of structure, then we'll know that the correction is over and that we are back up. But because we have higher lows and a break of and a Fibonacci bounce, that is, I would be recommending longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where I'd be looking for longs. If it ends up pushing up like this, making some sort of like a B, C, and then turning down with momentum, then definitely get out of your longs and potentially go short. It could push below the 50%. On the other hand, if it really maintains momentum and continues to make high, low, high, low, high, low, eventually giving you the break of structure, while you're looking for longs, hopefully you'd be learning and earning at the same time whether this really is the end of a correction and we really are in the back in a uptrend on the higher time frames, or whether this is actually just a pullback to the last wave down. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.